los terroristas.
I wonder what this year's incoming SGA's lip sync will look like.
Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What?
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up.
That was not awesome. What time is it? Lip sync starts right now!
Oprah, we're not gonna have time for you until next March. Yeah, this March really isn't looking good, Oprah. Yeah. Oh, wait, hang on. I'm getting another call. Hello? Yes, Lecrae. No. Listen, man, we had Gunger.
Tyler, lip sync is starting right now. We have to go.
Listen, Lecrae, I'm gonna have to call you back.
Not only will we be dancing,
Lip sync starts right now.
Jiminy Crickets!
What a wonderful change in my life has been what, Maddie? We're like for lip sync. I worship it. Hannah, lip sync. Oh, come on. Tyler, lip sync's about to start.
Doc D says I can't leave until I clean the whole floor.
We have to go.
She is not going to be happy about this.
No, what don't you understand? We can't have a paper trail. Burn everything. We're gonna put all our money into Cengage. You got that? Cengage. Burn everything we have.
Jake, the lip sync starts now.
Hey Dolan, you know what you have to do. I gotta go.
Guys, let's go! Wait, Sam, come on!
Someone has to film this.